Oh my god, I haven't done this in such a long time. How do I do this? This is, I think I need it up. Hey guys, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for such a long time. I don't know what the hell happened, but it happened. And we're back, hopefully. I keep saying that, but I'm hopefully back this time for good. It's been such a long time. But today's not a vlog, today's gonna be a tutorial, so let's just jump right into it. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a wig install. I haven't worn like a crazy wig in such a long time. I have been wearing headband wigs for such a long time because I don't have time to do all this crazy stuff that I used to do. So this right here is what I've been doing when I go to work. It's quick, you pop it on your head, literally 20 seconds. Easy, that's it, and I'm done. So this is the wig that I got. Focus, focus, focus. So this is what I got in 10 inches. But mind you, when it was 2 a.m., I promised you I clicked 14 inches. I promise. And after I purchased it, I never looked back into it. I never checked. This wig is from Getta. The brand is Getta. It is human hair. Let me show you guys. First of all, this is 10 inches. I don't really know what the hell I'm gonna do with 10 inches. My hair is longer than this. But this is the wig. This wig reminds me of Miss Velma from Scooby-Doo. This wig reminds me of somebody's grandmother. This wig reminds me of that auntie, somebody's auntie. But awkwardly enough, I am somebody's auntie. But anyways, yes. So this wig right here, it literally came like this in this little bag. Like nothing special. They give you a wig cap. Like this is just what we're working with. The brand is Getta. It is human hair lace front 13x4, wig bob 10 inches, 130 density, Brazilian virgin human hair, short bob wig, straight hair, natural color. This is what this is. So I have my bonnet on, bonnet off. Oh my god, I look crazy. I don't even know. Like, I'm getting super comfortable with YouTube, and I'm just getting super comfortable with everything. This is my hair. Okay, yes. So I found this hair braider in my town. Like, she was like, I can do your hair, and I do wigs all the time, and I need my hair flat and I want it to grow. I don't like dealing with my hair. This is the braiding pattern that she does for me when I get my hair braided, and I keep it in for like a month. Last time I stretched it to 2 months, but I don't leave it in for that long because I work out like Monday through Friday. But this is just what it looks like. Like, she gets it super flat. I don't really know what the back looks like. Oh my god, I'm breaking out so bad. It has 4 clips. Alright? I don't use clips, they give me headaches. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty foundation. This one is in the color 440. I haven't used my foundation in such a long time. It's like changing colors. I'm gonna take it on a brush like this, and I am going to do this because I did not bleach this wig and I don't plan on it. I'm getting super lazy. I don't have time. It looks better. Okay. To protect my edges, I'm gonna take the wig cap and I'm just gonna put it on. And I stretch it out because your homegirl needs room. So, let's put this on. Okay. Alright, so here is the wig, and it already has like a natural middle part. I think I'm gonna part this more because I'm not sure why it stopped here. But I am going to clip these back so I have some room to work. So I'm gonna bring the wig forward a little bit because I don't want it sitting on my edges. I want it far away from my edges as possible. This would be good. Gives you enough forehead space so it doesn't look too crazy. So now we're gonna take scissors and we're going to cut the lace. So let's get started. So I'm cutting straight down the middle. pull this down a little bit more. And I'm gonna cut in zigzags. I'm gonna try. So we made room for our ears. I cut down that tab a little bit, and I'm gonna keep cutting. So there we go, like this. Some of my natural edges are peeking through, but it's okay. I am not a professional, so. Okay, let's do the other side now. All right, so now I'm gonna pull this all back. Okay, so I'm going to take my Got2b glue gel. I'm going to take some gel on the back of my hand, and we're just going to work this on our forehead like this. I'm going to add gel all around here. Alright, so I'm just going to let that dry a little bit, let it get tacky. I forgot my hot comb, so I'm going to go grab it and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to take my little Too Cool fan and I'm going to fan this because I don't feel like grabbing the blow dryer. So it is getting tacky. Alright, so we're just going to place it directly on the gel. And you're just going to rub it in a little bit. Alright. Alright, so honestly, right now, I'm going to take my little robe tie and I'm going to tie it around the edges so it can like lay down more. Because I really don't feel like grabbing a blow dryer at all. There we go. Kaboom. Alright. Now, while that is doing that, we can work on our actual hair. Like the parting. So let's continue it down a little bit more. Is there more? Alright, let's do it like this. Yeah, I like this. And I'm gonna take my Love Me hair wax stick. I use it with my wigs all the time. And I'm just gonna take the hot comb and we're gonna hot comb this part down. So it's been a little bit of time. I'm gonna take this off. Oh, it's like, ouch. Ew. So this is what it's looking like right now. There's like this nasty crust. Alright, so we're gonna take some makeup remover. Mine are like kind of dried out. So I'm going to take this comb and kind of brush out where it's hard. Because it gets really hard and, oh, there we go. Brush out all the hard pieces, guys. So you have to do the baby hairs. I don't know how I like this. Okay, this is so weird. Alright, so taking those clips again. I'm gonna put these back. The hell? We're gonna clip these back. Take the scissors, cut. Alright, so now I'm going to take this little toothbrush, and I got it from the dollar store. I'm just going to take some of that gel so we can do these little baby hairs real quick. Alright, and then for these little hairs, I just usually cut these a little bit, just like that. So now that we have this foundation going, I'm going to go back in with that hot comb, see if I can flatten this out a little bit. I feel like it's looking kind of bumpy. So along with flat ironing my hair, I have been using the Chi Curl Barrel. I really love this. I'm going to see if it's going to work for this wig because this hair is like super short. So let's see how this works. So I'm going to take a piece and we are going to put it in the barrel and curl. You just press a button. It's so easy. I love this. This is like for the lazy girls who don't have time in the morning, you need to rush, or just if you don't know how to curl, this is like a cheat sheet. And I put it for 19 seconds and it beeps when it's done. A little curl. Okay, I can work with that. And when you're on the left side, you click the left button. When you're on the right side, you click the right button so it curls it in place for you. So you don't have to take the flat iron and do all these things. Even though that's probably quicker. I'm just being lazy, but yeah, we're gonna do that. And this can literally touch your skin. I mean, it is a little warm. I wouldn't suggest like putting it straight on your skin, but there's like a protector so it's not that hot, like you won't get burned, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair and I'll be right back. Do you guys like this? So I'm gonna take my foundation again, the Fenty Beauty, with this little brush. And okay, so here's the wig on me. This is super short. I don't even know if I like this. Okay, so the hair isn't necessarily bad. It's just not something I'm used to. Like, the hair feels good. I didn't really get that much shedding from it. For 130 density, it's pretty like thick, but I do feel like that's because it is short, so it's gonna feel kind of thick regardless. But this is like, I guess, super cute for summertime if you're wearing like a really, if you're wearing a strapless dress, something short, really cute, really easy to throw on. Let me do like a 360 so you guys can see. But this is just what it looks like. So this hair was $80, literally. It was $79.98. It was $80. Is it worth $80? You definitely do get what you pay for. I'm not saying that this is cheap, but this is a really cute summer easy short wig bob. It's literally what it says it is, and it's $80. You're paying $80, but that's because it's 10 inches. It's not that long, so the price matches with what you're getting. But this wig, it does have short parts. Like, up here is definitely way shorter than back here. You know? But I guess that's just how it is. Maybe these can be bangs. I don't think I would look good in bangs. Yeah. But I would rate this wig maybe a 8 out of 10. Only because the lace wasn't as natural as other laces I've gotten to be natural. Does that make sense? The lace wasn't as soft. It was like a harder lace, if that makes sense. But overall, I mean, this is a pretty cute wig for summer for you guys. If you're into bobs, if you're into short hair, you know, or you just want to do a look, honestly, who cares? Do what you want to do. But I would rate this an 8 out of 10. Yeah, so that pretty much concludes the video. I just really wanted to put this wig on to see what it looks like. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.